Profit Abundance Review. Hey guys, how you doing? This is Keiron Hogg with reviews, hacks, and tips. I apologize for today's visuals. It is less than what I wanted, but that my computer crashed and I'm recording with my phone, so my apologies guys, but that is not the important issue. The important issue is profit abundance. What is it and how can it help you? It is 40 secret sources that unlock free traffic from 560 million buyers all on all open web platforms. So you're going to get 10 list building hacks, 10 traffic hacks, 10 social media marketing hacks, and 10 of their previous products. Now when I say there, I am talking about Bill Ang, Saurabh Gobal, and Sid Red, three buddies of mine, three juggernauts in affiliate marketing, aka Team Alpha. So guys, without further ado, let's get into it. This is my bonus bundle here, and it says 40 secret sources that unlock free traffic from 560 million buyers on open web platforms, guys. So you've got 5 days, 18 hours to get all my bonuses and also their vendor bonuses as well. Plus we've got demo review, guys. You're going to see what it's going to look like and how it can help you. But let's learn a little bit about what profit abundance is first. Profit abundance consists of well over 40 profitable marketing secrets that your audience would love and thank you for. Like I said, 10 list building hacks, 10 traffic hacks, 10 social media marketing hacks, and 10 plus of their previous products for you to take advantage of. So Team Alpha, guys, they are hard workers. They have over 10 products between them and Team Alpha, and they deliver. These are good products that have helped a lot of people, and they can help you as well. So profit from the abundance of secrets, or give it away to incentivize your audience. This is something that you do not want to miss. Profit abundance comes with 10 done-for-you monetization offers that are proven to convert time and time again, and one high-ticket offer for you to bank big commissions, guys. So you can sell less but make more. Now here is the funnel. We're going to look at this in a minute, but first let me take you through to my bonuses, guys. So extra bonus number 1 is the CPA Easy Profit. So CPA, aka cost per acquisition. So once you start developing a list of buyers, you're going to have CPA networks contacting you, and if you can get your buyers to perform simple tasks such as giving their full name maybe, or a phone number, or completing a short survey, or giving their email, you can collect anywhere from 50 cents to $2 depending on the task that they perform. Now that might not sound like much, but when your list starts to grow into the hundreds and even thousands, that is awesome money, and it is totally on autopilot. So this is going to show you the CPA Easy Profit system is combined with dark horse, sort of underground sources that when combined is a very powerful system that you're going to like, guys. Second bonus, guys, is backlink booster. So this allows you to easily create funnels, landing pages, and ebooks, and it comes with a monetization method where you can submit your books onto various sites such as Kindle publishing and a lot of other ebook sites. So you can be making money. You can do these. They spit these books out really quickly. There's templates there. You just put in a little bit of your information and it's ready to go. So you can sell these on different platforms. You can give them away as bonuses. At the same time, you're going to be creating your mailing list because you'll be creating funnels and landing pages as well. So it's like a 2-for-1 system. Next one, guys, is a high ticket hero. So I just talked about how Profit Abundance is going to give you one done for you high ticket campaign. This is also going to show you more in-depth knowledge on how to make high ticket commissions so you can sell less but make more, right? And guys, here are some other bonuses that we're going to give away is the Fuego Breakout. This uses the power of Instagram. So as you know, Instagram has millions of followers. This uses the system of Instagram where you will be sending out content and they will be coming to your landing page. And when they do that, the pixels, you can take that over to a sales page and create hot traffic, guys. It's really focused traffic. Also inside here, you're going to learn if you want to use influencers, you're going to find the best value and best range for your niche of influencers as well, guys. Also, the master YouTube ads. So this is going to show you how you can create campaigns that are very eye-catching and rank very well on YouTube. And build your buyers list while profiting, guys. So you're going to learn a cool little trick where if anybody buys any of your products or just goes onto a landing page and wants access to a bonus or any kind of free information, you can collect their email very, very easily. This is going to show you how simple it is. Also, guys, we're going to have the license rights to Aurora. So Aurora is a two-part system. It gets you traffic from Pinterest and Instagram, and it's really kind of cool because you'll learn how to follow the followers of the big affiliate marketing gurus. Okay, and then from that you'll be able to get them to click on to your bio. So it's going to go into more detail, but it's very cool. You're going to get the full license rights, you guys, so don't miss out on that. Okay, next one, guys, special bonuses from Team Alpha, which I'll show you in a minute. And like I said, you've got about 5 days, 18 hours as I'm doing this. Now, let me take you to the sales page. So here it is, guys. Here's the sales page. It's got the same banner that I just showed you. It's got a video that you can watch at your leisure. And like I said, we tapped into all this stuff, guys, so it's very newbie friendly. 40 secrets will show you how to build and monetize your email list. Set forget campaigns in 60 seconds or less. Okay, so all open web platforms in the USA, a platform where 40% buy after seeing a post, over 560 million active users, guys. And just 3 simple steps. Log in, takes 40 seconds, watch how to laser targeted traffic and promote the built-in offers or your own for free leads and sales. So here we have some proof. Saurabh Gobal, one of the founders and one of the members of Team Alpha, he got 1,433 the last 30 days with this method. Kaleem, my friend Kaleem, he's got a testimonial. Also, Jaylee Saunders has a testimonial. And here they are, Team Alpha. We got Bill Ang, Saurabh Gobal, and Sid Red. And we have a testimonial from my friend Jake Galbraith and Kaleem Muhammad again. More proof here, guys. So today they made 347. All right, so guys, this does work. The Profit Abundance 40 secret methods that gets virtually unlimited free traffic. Now at your fingertips, 100% done for you campaigns, over-the-shoulder profit training, so you will never be stuck in the weeds for too long. You can always get help. Okay, you're going to save hundreds a year. Hassle-free hosting is included. And guys, so if you click on any of these, or if you are on my bonus page, you click on any of these orange buttons, it's going to click you over to the sales page here, and you click on any of these, and it's going to click you over to Warrior Plus, and then to get your bonuses, you're just going to click on this blue button, and then you're going to be able to access all of my bonuses here, guys. Okay, just a little bit of a side note there. All right, so we've got here we got some bonuses. The high ticket framework, access all of Bill's high ticket secrets. Time and time again, he is able to make high ticket commissions, and he will show you how you can do exactly the same. Bonus 2 is Commission Blueprint. Get front-end access to Commission Blueprint, the evolution of automated commissions. With unstoppable traffic, cutting-edge conversions, now anyone can make game-changing affiliate income. And $0 to $100 in 24 hours, completely free access to this multi-award winning training. Watch how he went from flat broke to raking in $100 every single day. Just copy everything he did in there. So this is basically launch jacking, guys. You're going to learn the nuts and bolts of launch jacking. El Bandito, it's time for you to break out and start living the life of your dreams. $200 per day on complete autopilot, and it takes 15 to 20 minutes to set up. What are you waiting for? And 7-figure marketer Bing ads. So Bing ads, guys, is a source that a lot of people tend to overlook, but a lot of people are making huge money just by putting in some simple, not too hard, not too long effort and getting some nice output from it. And guys, you've got a 30-day money-back guarantee, so really you have no risk at all. Like I said, the front end is at 17, but I want to show you what the demo is going to look like, what the members area is going to look like. Here's the members area, guys. So as you can see, we've got the dashboard, the support, and the logout. So if you have any questions, you can always hit support up. This is just an intro by Bill. Also, you can subscribe to Bill's YouTube channel here and get his Facebook mastermind. There's a video that's going to be ready by Saurabh and also a welcome video by Sid, and you're going to be able to subscribe to Saurabh's YouTube channel, Sid's YouTube channel, and the live training call here. All right. Now, access profit abundance here. So there's just going to be some more information that you're going to want to see. The overview, why list building is important, why conquering traffic is important, why social media marketing is important. Now here we get into a lot of the juice of it here. So we got list building abundance, hack 1 to 10. And we've got the 10 times conquering traffic hacks, abundance hacks 1 to 10 as well. Now guys, these I can't show you because it hasn't been bought yet, right? So this is all going to be inside when you do purchase it, but at the moment I'm afraid I can't show you because it's just not there. 10 times with general marketing hacks from 1 to 10 as well. Same thing, guys. I can't show you because it is not there. The treasure trove. So look here. These are the different products that Team Alpha has created that you're going to have instant access to. So you're going to have all of these here. Okay. So you're going to be set. You can use these for yourself. You can give them away as bonuses. You'll be set. You've got the upgrades here. Okay. Simple to upgrade. Just click on any of those. And then the bonuses, guys. All the bonuses are going to be right here. So the high ticket framework, the commission blueprint, $0 to $100 in 24 hours, El Bandito, and the 7 figures marketing Bing ads. Okay. And then, guys, that is just the front end. So let me take you now to the prices and the upsells. All right, so quite a big funnel. As you can see, lots of upgrades, lots of downsells. So the front end, what I just showed you, you're going to get all of that, the abundance software and the training modules. Upsell number 1 is a Profit Abundance Pro. You're going to get access to all the pro versions of their products to 20 times your results, less price for much more value, guys. I like this upsell. In my opinion, this is good value for what you're going to be getting. You're going to be getting the possibility to make 20 times more for just a few dollars more, okay? $37 more. Done for you weekly campaigns get sent 3 done for you campaigns each and every week. Includes done for you bonus page with review video, product demo, and 10 custom bonuses delivered for you. Now this requires Commission Gorilla, but if you are serious about affiliate marketing, Commission Gorilla is something that you really want to consider anyways. And guys, I like this upsell because these reviews take a lot of time. If you have a family, if you have a job, if you have just other living duties that take your time, you're going to see just how long we're doing reviews and creating bonuses and creating the product videos and uploading it on YouTube and creating thumbnails and all that, how just exhausting it can be. So this is a huge one. You're going to get 3 of these. You're going to get over 150 a year. It's going to save you hundreds, trust me, hundreds and hundreds of hours of your time and sanity. So this is a nice upgrade in my opinion. Unlimited traffic mastery at $197. Traffic is the lifeblood of any business, especially online businesses, and you will learn 3 secret traffic hacks that pulled us in front of this industry as one of the fastest rising marketers. Upsell 4 is the reseller rights, guys, so you can sell this and collect 100% commissions on the whole funnel. Upsell number 5 is the reseller vault rights, so you can have all the products that you're going to be getting with this that Team Alpha has created. You're going to get the resell rights as well. So I like this one, guys, also. And this is interesting. Alpha Dominator collaboration at $997. Officially be a product vendor when you launch a product with us. Being a product vendor is by far the best way to build a buyer's list and see a sizable amount of commissions flowing into your accounts. Best of all, we'll do all the work, pay for the professional sales copy and designs, and you get to keep 100% of the buyer leads and 20% of the profits. So they're going to create the designs, which is a lot of money, and also, guys, ClickFunnels. To create this, you need ClickFunnels. That is an expensive product, very handy, but very expensive. And they're going to show you, they're going to do all the work, and you're going to get the email leads and 20% of the profits. So I do like that one. If you're serious and you want to learn from masters how you can create products, they will help you. But I like upsell number 1 and upsell number 2. Okay. All right, you guys, here are some of the benefits. The untapped buyer traffic from all the open web platforms, breakthrough secrets revealed that are brand new for 2021. Promote any link to thousands of hungry buyers instantly without paid ads. It's 100% beginner friendly, no tech skills or experience needed. Done for you monetized campaigns included for an all-inclusive solution with 40 secrets. We'll show you how to build and monetize from your email list. Set it and forget it campaigns in 60 seconds or less. And guys, this is all a 30-day money-back guarantee, no risk. So there you go. You're also going to get all my bonuses, the CPA Easy Profits, Backlink Booster, High Ticket Hero, the Fuego Breakout, the Master YouTube Ads, Build Your Buyers List While Profiting, Aurora, and all the bonuses by the vendors as well, guys. You've still got 5 days and 18 hours and 420. Did you see that? If that is not a sign, I don't know what else is. Guys, this wraps up my review on Profit Abundance. Again, I apologize. I wasn't able to show my face or show you a better format, but I hope you did understand what Profit Abundance is and how it can help you. And if you do decide to get it, guys, just hit my links here and it'll kick you over. You'll get all of my bonuses, okay? And I want to thank you for your time. This is Keiron Guy Hogg with reviews, hacks, and tips. If you want to know how to make money online, please leave a comment down below, or you can hit me up on social media and I will do my best to help you, give as much information as I can. And please like, subscribe, and comment to my channel for more good content. Thank you very much. This is Keiron signing off.